pretty good fish. That's a pretty good fish. That one right there is a pretty good fish. Female. The new burrow bug from Mule Jig. Another pretty nice fish. Rugged looking fish here. Man. No, get back. Nope. Another pretty nice fish. Another male. Pretty dynamics. Nice dynamics on this guy. Cool. No. Get. No. Another nice one. Nice male. That's a good girl. Good boy, good girl, whatever. Well, this is pretty good fishing. I kind of thought it might be. No. Get back. I got dogs all around me. Should have got a picture of that last big fish. Go on. Dodge, go on. Take your buddy. Good boys and girls. Come on. Must be someone over here, I think. There's one. Ooh. Tanker. Nice pretty male. Another nice pretty male. That guy is dressed for the occasion, man. We are using the burrow bug crayfish imitation, and they are tearing it up. Y'all behaving really, really good. I like it. That's a better fish. That's crappie. That's a crappie. Pretty sure. No, get back. That's just a big old bluegill. Just a big old bluegill. Wow. Cool. This burrow bug has been an extremely productive lure for me. And what I do is I pinch off the two claws, give it more of a nymph-like appearance, and that came off. Huh. Well, gee whiz. More of a nymph-like appearance, and seems that that's something they like. Get back, get out, get, go. No problem with dogs. We'll work it out. There it is. That's a good one. Party one. Party one. That's a pretty one. Nice. Go on, guys. Go on. He came back. Ooh. Taking this fairly deep. Wow. Pretty fish. Get back. Go. These dogs, I'm telling you, they'll jump in and get a hook in them. That's what I don't want to have happen. This is a lot of fish in a row. This is a pretty good bluegill here too. Okay, nice fish. Oh, 8.5 inch class fish. Taking the burrow bug. Taking the old burrow bug. Go on now. Oh. Man, this guy wants to fight. Another one. Burrow bug success. Okay, straighten this thing out a little bit. Maybe it might not matter. Well, basically I just want to come up here and catch some panfish. I've accomplished that. I think this is the tail end. Might be the tail end of the spawn. I don't know here. I hit it on late April. Caught fish very similar in size. And no, get back. Hey, go on. Lay down. Good girl. Nice cast, Mr. Jimmy. Nice fish too. Get him out of there. No, get back. Wow, they really smoked that thing. Go. Go. Oh man, I got a bag of fish. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. Alright. I am using the burrow bug, which is a crayfish imitation. But what I did is I pulled the claws off and I cut the side claws a little bit to give it more of a nymph appearance. More of a nymph type of appearance. I'm fishing it on a 64th ounce head. And that's what we're catching all these fish on this evening. Mule jig, burrow bug, ranch hand. And we're using the 64th ounce head for that. So far we're catching a lot of fish. Well, there's one I got. Fighting off the dogs. Pretty nice fish. We gotta get the animals away from us. So we have to return this fish a little further than where it normally is. Go. Go on now. Get. Might have to edit that. Might have to edit that. Oh, that's, here they come. Here they come. You guys are really misbehaving. I'm very disappointed in you guys. Snapping and biting at these bluegills. I'm very disappointed in these two dogs. It's just basically the only technique I can think of that will allow me to catch a few fish. This thing back on here tight. They're looking for that bluegill over there. Look at them. Looking for a bluegill. Where did that bluegill go? Another pretty good one. Having fun. Guys, you're going to have to behave. You're going to have to behave. Where did the bluegill go? Go, 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 go. Both of you, get out. Very obedient dogs. Look at the purple on the cheeks of that fish. This is one of the bigger ones I got today. Pretty nice. Big dark male. Nice dark male. Probably the biggest one I caught. I don't know. He's not quite 10. But he's a good 9-inch fish. Nice. Alright. We didn't get it on film. But there it is. Another really high quality largemouth. Happy to get that fish. They are trying to find the bass I just released.